This might be the most exciting bit of tech that I'm taking a look at ever. So I have wanted a 3D printer for years. I've got no idea about design work. I've never used one before. I have zero clue. I will be fully YouTube taught. I know they say it's fairly easy. I went ahead and I ordered myself the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, and then there was also I think it's the AD5X, which can have 4 different filaments. I don't think I'll need them. I think one color will do me fine for what I want to print. But yeah, look, let's get out of the box. This video is going to be fully with no research, nothing. I'm going to plug it in, see if I can print something. I have no doubt I would have tap printed everywhere, all those little things that you can move around, fidget spinners and stuff, but who knows, I might be able to figure out printing some cooler, useful things. But I'm gonna get it out of the box. Let's take a look. I don't even know how to lift this out of the box. Quite difficult to get to at the back. Power. FlashForge. Follow the guide on screen. So let's wait for it to finish up and see what it looks like. It has completed and it has printed me a lovely cube. In here it looks like there's a few things preloaded, a keychain. So guys, that's my review of the FlashForge Adventurer 5M. Really cool bit of kit. Very, very easy to use, especially as a beginner. I've printed loads of little toys and there is thousands and thousands of designs online that you can download for free, straight to the printer, and it just does it, right? And then at the end, you just pop it off and it's good to go. I did dabble with some of the more complex, like CAD software stuff to design my own things. I find it quite difficult. I'm getting there slowly. I did manage to 3D print this display case, so I had to build the channels in which the perspex sits. It's got little brackets here which I'll drill through just to keep it from falling out. That actually was really, it looks simple. I found it really tough, but yeah, as a printer guys, 10 out of 10. Let me know if there's any brands that you guys think I should test out next. I'm thinking Bamboo Lab, but yeah, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.